Don't cut this part.
Hello. Welcome to another episode of Snooze News.
Could you get a harder chair with my little ass?
You know what? This is what we got in the showroom. We could add some mattress padding on it, maybe.
Could or should I? We're in the mattress business. Why am I sitting on a hard-ass chair?
Because I need the right angle.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm joking. I am. So anyways, we are actually going to do, the subject today is going to be another question that we had from somebody on Facebook. So again, we welcome you to write any questions that you might have about buying a mattress, why you should shop at Texas Mattress Makers, or anything that you have about sleep. Let us know and we'll cover it in these Snooze News. But we do have a question, and that is, why or have you considered making a bed-in-a-box?
Yes, of course. I mean, if you're in the mattress business today, you have to consider making a bed-in-a-box. But I'm not too excited about the concept.
So first, for the audience members, you know, you hear about companies like Casper, Purple, Tufton Needles. All of those are the bed-in-a-box companies. So can you explain like what a bed-in-a-box is to people who may not have heard of that?
A bed-in-a-box is predominantly a foam slash what they think is memory foam. The real description of it in our industry is viscoelastic. Mm-hmm. So they put pieces of foam on the bottom and some laminated pieces of viscoelastic on top, different compressions. Okay, so it's softer, firmer, whatever. Mm-hmm. Then they literally shove it in a bag, collapse it by sucking the air out of it, roll it, fold it, put plastic on the outside, and drop it in a box. That is what a mattress in a box is.
So it's not really anything new in terms of components, because like viscoelastic is one of the oldest components, correct?
How real do I get to get?
You can be real.
Oh, okay.
Our audience likes when you're, except for cussing.
Okay, no cursing and no political subjects, which is fine with me. I have a headache today anyway. So, rule number one, you cannot find your comfort by reading something that says firm or soft or medium, all right?
Okay.
Because the truth of the matter is, without being insulting, you do not know the definition of any one of them, with the exception that you understand what the word means.
And there's also different levels of each of them, so it's a feeling thing.
Exactly. It's like saying there's 3 colors in the whole world, you know, black, white, and pick one gray.
Yeah.
One gray. Doesn't work that way.
Yeah,
you know?
There's a spectrum.
Exactly. So, mattresses in a box, in reality, it's convenient, and it's to serve laziness.
Okay.
What's wrong? You told me to be me.
Be
right.
you.
Okay, I didn't say you're lazy. Okay, it's to serve laziness. I don't want to do this, not because I can't.
Yes,
because
it's
I don't
convenient.
Want to do, oh,
I'm sorry. It's an answer to the.
In 1957,
it
was. In 1957, it was laziness. In 2019, it is
the
convenient.
Instant gratification.
I didn't have a car. I had to walk everywhere. When my horse went lame, I couldn't even ride him. Now you got cars coming out the back end of everybody, but we need to be convenient.
Yes, so it's an answer to people who enjoy not having to leave the comfort of their home. And
it is.
Yes.
All jokes to the side, yes, it is. It's a convenient purchase, but it's not a very good way of buying a mattress.
Yeah.
So let's clarify some things, okay?
Yeah, explain why.
If you're going to buy a bed for a spare bedroom, I get it, you know? Mm-hmm. Get one in a box if that's what you want, right?
But what is it? I just want our viewers to understand, like, it's what happens when you roll it and you suck the air out? What happens to the components? Because that's something that people don't realize.
The top end of the component, the viscoelastic?
Yes.
Nothing, because it was produced to be able to literally collapse to zero.
Yeah.
And then come back up and have a good life.
And that's what you feel.
That's what you feel. The problem with it is the support system, the bottom, the actual polyurethane, that's an open cell product. Basically, it's got holes, right?
Yeah.
Very tiny holes. what happens to a piece of foam? When it softens up, those cells open up, you know? They get larger. By compressing it to zero, you basically take a certain percentage of its life away immediately.
Okay.
It's like you sat and got up, or laid and got up, laid and got up, laid and got up for a long time. So
like
at first,
20%, right?
somewhere could be a 20%, depending on the type of foam and densities and compressions that they're using. Absolutely. So don't think if you're buying a $2.99 queen mattress, memory foam, it's the best thing since sliced bread. It's bread, it's not sliced, and it's moldy. But, you know.
But you don't feel it.
No, you won't feel it.
Yeah.
That is
until,
true.
Until you sleep on it a while, because that's when you will feel the sinkage. And
Right. So you won't feel it because A, it's new, and you obviously, or you don't have one, or you're coming off something that's hurting you.
Yeah.
If you don't have any physical discomfort to begin with, it'll take you a while to feel it because you have nothing to compare to, right?
Yeah.
But I guarantee you, one of those, within the first 90 nights, you're going to, if you buy a mattress in a box and you feel discomfort in your lower back, in your mid back, in your shoulder, in your hip, okay, and in the top end of your tush, it's your mattress. So don't stick to it. It's just going to get worse and worse and worse and worse.
And what about the mattresses? So I know even a BedInABox knows this. So they've even been trying to kind of change the components in them. They even have springs now that they can.
Right.
So can you tell me what, it's the same concept, right? It still is losing its lifespan.
No, the spring does not.
Okay.
So like the spring behind you, that will last forever.
Okay.
I mean, when I say forever, I mean forever. You won't live long enough to abuse that spring.
Okay.
But because you're going to roll it,
Yeah.
the construction has to be done in a manner that things can, excuse me, roll and fold.
Okay.
Okay? So the foam product on top of it is, once again, is the one that's going to suffer.
gonna
Your
suffer.
comfort layer.
Okay.
Not your spring layer.
Okay.
Here it's the opposite. In an all foam, your support system will suffer, the comfort layer won't. So
Okay.
you'll cup in or sink in a foam mattress actually from the bottom up.
Yeah, because of the support layer.
Right. A spring mattress is what you usually see. You see those lumpiness and things like that? That's what's going to happen on your spring unit.
Okay.
Okay? Now, how long does it take? I don't know because honestly, I haven't seen all of them.
Different for different people, different
Right.
weights. And that's another thing. We don't need to get into that too much, but it's also that one size fits all
Exactly.
mentality that really you are different in your body and you aren't, I'm not going to lay on the same mattress that you do.
Right.
So that's important to realize as well.
Listen, there's some, I'm going to talk to them now because, you know, they want to see me because I'm special in more ways than you'll ever
Because you're
want to
the
know.
expert in your field.
No, look, honestly, okay? If you buy a mattress for your spare bedroom and you know that somebody's going to sleep on it once every blue moon, get online, Texas Mattress Makers, order a mattress online. Not a problem. If you have a small child that's going from a crib to a bed and you have issues with leaving, I understand, children, get online at Texas Mattress Makers, order a mattress. I mean, we have descriptions. You can't go wrong. If you're going to buy a mattress for yourselves, for your use every night, my recommendation is that you come in and get fitted in a mattress. That is the way that I would suggest that you purchase a mattress for you, because you're going to use this product every single night. You don't use anything more than this product in your life. It's well worth your time to come in and get fitted in, if you choose to.
And that also brings us, another answer about this BedInABox, it's not just about a BedInABox, it is about the convenience of ordering. And so we know there are going to be some people that just aren't going to come in. And so this is something that we've been thinking about, kind of discussing internally, trying to do it the best way that we can to solve this problem. And we are going online, and we've selected mattresses that we know are the right mattresses for certain people. And so you can go online and purchase a mattress. We just recommend that you come in. If it's no sweat off your back to make the 30-minute at most drive here or in Katy, we recommend that you come in, even for an hour drive. I mean, we have people that come all over from Rosenberg, from Baytown.
Yeah.
It's just important. And it's not just sleeping. You work in your bed, you fold laundry in your bed. You do a lot of different things in your mattress that you don't even think about. So it's important to get the right sleeping surface. So we hope you come in. You can also do it online. We're working really hard to be the experts in that field as well, but it is harder when you don't get to see the person and see how they lay on the mattress.
Voila. And you thought I can't speak French?
I thought you
No.
can speak French.
I can, but I don't want to show off.
Okay.
No, you said it. You said it perfectly. There's no need to add anything to it. You know, it's. If you want convenience, you have. If you want to be fitted, you have.
Exactly.
Whatever makes you happy will make us happy.
And you get to be with him.
That's
sometimes.
right. Listen,
I mean,
if you come here and see me, I will abuse you.
Yeah.
But here's the kicker: you will enjoy the hell out of it.
It's very strange. I mean, they really do.
You know,
It's
I
like,
mean, you will leave the building and look at your partner and go,
I can't
that
believe
boy
I
is crazy.
contemplated buying a bed-in-a-box.
yeah, should put his butt in the box. But it's a good thing we brought ourselves to buy a mattress here, you know?
Okay, so for the next Snooze News, we're actually going to be at our Katy location, which is exciting because I don't think we've done a Snooze News out there. So we're going to actually show you what goes into fitting into a mattress. So he's going to fit me into a mattress in Katy. And then you'll also get to meet one of our great...
Oh, no, don't tell him.
Okay.
This is a surprise, trust me. You remember when you were a kid, your mom bought you Cracker Jack? You opened the box and there was a surprise?
That's
Okay.
going to be this.
Even children at 3 years old can start drinking now because this surprise will blow you away. I'll give you a hint. It's this tall, it's this wide, it has no square no square corners, and it talks a lot. Stick
More than-
around, you're going
more
to
than
love
him.
it. Yeah, and it's got an accent.
All right, bye.